Can Bitcoin save us from a trade war? Global markets are feeling the pressure after a new round of US tariffs. This has some investors wondering, can Bitcoin be the answer? On Thursday, April 3rd, Bitcoin did something unusual. While the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 suffered significant losses, Bitcoin's price remained relatively stable, according to MarketWatch. Some traders viewed Bitcoin as less likely to be hurt by a trade war. But before we call it a safe bet, we need to take a step back. On Monday, April 7th, Bitcoin experienced its surge, following rumors that the White House might delay the next round of tariffs. Stocks saw a similar rally based on the same speculation. When the rumor was denied, both Bitcoin and the stock market gave up those gains, showing how quickly both markets react to headlines. However, analysts note that Bitcoin tends to recover faster than stocks. This recovery is another reason why some investors see it as a backup plan during uncertain times. So, can Bitcoin save us from a trade war? Probably not, but it could become a long-term option with dealing with economic uncertainty. The number of Bitcoin holders continues to grow, with many treating it as a backup plan in case traditional markets take another hit. After months of selling pressure, Picoin finally got some good news. On Friday, April 4th, Picoin broke out of a 5-week downtrend. Volume played a huge role as Pi's price surged over 45%, briefly touching its highest level since March 31st. But it's not all clear skies. Despite the surge, Pi is still down over 75% from its February high. There's also macro concerns. 1.6 billion new tokens are set to unlock over the next 12 months, risking downward pressure on the token's price. And Tier 1 platforms like Coinbase and Binance still have not listed the coin. So while the breakout from the downtrend is promising, Pi's future price action depends on managing token supply and big exchange listings. OnlyFans founder Tim Stokely is making headlines again, this time with TikTok. He's teamed up with the HBAR Foundation to make a late bid for the platform. The offer comes through Stokely's new project, Zoop, a family-friendly social media app. The idea is to give creators more control and better pay by using blockchain tools to track and reward content. But they're not alone. Big names like Amazon and Microsoft have also shown interest in buying TikTok. If Zoop and the HBAR Foundation succeed, it could be a major step in merging blockchain and social media. And that's today's update. Want to learn more about cryptocurrency? Visit thecryptolist.net. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.